Mexican killer. I found him. I want you to meet the baddest motherfucker in town. Right on, right on, right on. Go ahead, tell it.
Climbed up the rocks all by yourself, huh?
I know. It's hard to get up that rock climb area.
Yeah, good job.
Are you making a video of this?
Yeah.
YouTube?
Well, we'll see. Maybe. You want it to be on YouTube? Yeah. All right. Huh?
Maybe on YouTube all the time.
So the fair's over there, behind these trees. Okay. How we doing? Can't see your thumb. There it is. Did we get some good shots of the fair?
Yeah.
Of the Ferris wheel before they told us to go away?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to see the footage.
Sorry, you better not put on the air.
Oh, I'm definitely putting it on the air.
Dude, I'm cold.
You're cold? I'm like sweating. You're not sweating?
Cold, bro.
You're cold, bro? Just relax, man. How you doing?
Vlog. And do not turn off my ear this instant.
That's all? All right, bro? No need to freak out. Ready to go home?
Yes.
Ready to get your snuggle poo on?